guys, I'm Jatin here. I'm going to start my fourth tutorial video on Solidworks. In this tutorial, I'm going to design the banded pipe by using the swap command. This is a pipe which I will design this tutorial. So what we have to do for make this pipe in a 3D, first I have to draw this profile in any plane, then I will draw its path in a perpendicular plane. So I'm going to make this path. So I'm firstly I have to choose the top plane. Here I am going to draw its profile. So there is a profile, and its outer OD is about 15 mm, and ID it is about 11 mm. So my this profile is complete. So I am going to draw its path in a perpendicular plane. So for it I will choose the front plane, and this is so here and draw it. It is look like this, and this line and this line are equal in length, so I am considering by equal sign. So here, so the dimension of this line it is about 42.5, so I am weakening it by 42.5, and this horizontal length it is about 285 mm, so I am also considering it by 285 mm, and the corner radius of this pipe is also it is about 17.5, so I give the radius it by the sketch fillet. So here I will write the 17.5 and click on its vertex. So it is, and now this sketch is also completed. So I am going to the feature tool. So here I choose a swept post. Firstly, I will select its profile. This is the profile, and then I will select the parts. So it will automatically draw it. So this is a pipe which I will design in this tutorial. Thank you. Have a nice day.